Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for easy tech and software tutorials. In today's video, we are diving into Badger Maps, the ultimate field service and sales route planner that helps you manage territories, plan efficient routes, and close more deals faster. Whether you're a field salesperson, a service technician, or a small business owner looking to maximize your time on the road, Badger can totally transform the way you work. So we will show you how to get started, plan routes, manage customer data, and use smart map features to save you time and fuel. So if you're ready to become a productivity powerhouse with Badger, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, visit the official website of Badger Maps. Now, on the top corner, you have the option to log in using your credentials. But of course, we all know that the best option is to click the free trial. You just have to provide all the information needed and click the Start Your Free Trial No Credit Card Required button. If you do, you will be forwarded to the main homepage of Badger. And there's going to be like a welcome dialog box that you need to provide all the information and complete your profile, and then they will generously extend your trial by 3 days. Okay? Now, you need to get started with the Badger Maps. Is it going to be tutorial mode, import XL, CSV, or contact us? But for now, it's the best option is to click the skip for now. Once you have successfully logged in, do not be bombarded with all of the tools that you can see on the landing page. I have been using Badger Maps, and all of the tools and features in the left side is very easy to use. Let me tell you why. Now, the interface looks like a Google map. Okay, so like any other map software, you can scrub, you can pan your mouse here and hover where do you want to go. Now, the visualize is the section where you can see your customer data on map, okay? If you wanted to import data, you have the ability to do so. Click the import data. You can import Excel CSV or contact the CRM. Or if you want to follow a quick tutorial to get started fast, you can do that as well. We're going to skip that because you see that once you have connected your data, you can filter the customer type, status, priority, or even other custom fields to analyze your territory visually. I find it very useful for spotting geographic patterns and making strategic decisions about where to visit next. Okay? If that makes sense, you have the account here, wherein you need to set up your account. Okay, so this is going to be your CRM style database inside Badger Maps. You can add, view, and manage your customers, leads, and even prospects. Each account contains details like contact info, location, last visit, and custom fields. It acts as your central hub for client management. Now, the follow-ups is the option where you can track and schedule with your clients or leads. You can mark visits, set reminders, and make sure you're staying consistent with the outreach. It's a productivity feature to keep you organized and on top of sales activities. Now, you have the past due and the current. Since this is a newly created account, we don't have anything yet in place. But don't worry, because of the places is where you can search for nearby businesses or locations around your accounts. Okay? If you need a coffee shop, like a gas station, or a potential new lead near your route, this tool will help you with that. For example, search places. For example, let's say maybe California. Click on the save button. Let's try that. With this, you can have flexibility and help you fill in your day with productive stops with the places. All right. Now, the routes is going to be the core Badger Maps, wherein you have the current route is the save route. If you want to add a location, all right, you need to go to the account section. We're going to do that right now, and you need to import data. So these are all work hand in hand. because the routes gives you the ability to create, save, and optimize your sales routes, wherein you can plan multiple stops, rearrange them, and get the fastest path between them, saving you time, reduce travel costs, and maximizes field productivity. Alright? The My Team is the option where you can manage a sales team or you're part of your drivers. If you want to add a team member, alright, you need to import the data first so that you can customize the fields before adding a new user for the first time. Alright, since right now we don't have the capability to add a data. If you do have, you might want to ask maybe your IT department if you are part of a large company or organization, because this is where you can see routes, appointments, and client updates made by each team member. Okay, it's designed for collaboration and accountability within the larger sales organization. I find it very useful because it can improve a team-wide performance by 2 meetings a day. Alright, you can manage a team here very simply. Now, the reports is the section where you can generate detailed activity on sales visit, route history, follow-ups, and account updates. You have the check-ins wherein you can have the duration. Is it going to be last 30 days, this month, last 3 months, last 6 months, last year, and all time? You can also set a specific date here, say for example June 20th until June 30th, and then you can have that already. Now, it's ideal for performance tracking and insights both for individuals and your teams. Now, you need to export the accounts right here. If you have the account from the data, you will be able to export the accounts together with the reports. The tool is the collection of all the utilities and settings to help you customize your experience. You might find the import right here. You see there's going to be a lasso. You can drag right here to draw a shape. For example, let's say we're going to click the radius, click and drag the map to draw a circle. For example, just right here, I'm going to hover down and pan out so we can have like a detailed instance. So we're going to have all these around here and then click the lasso. Now within the lasso, all right, you can create here so that you can have the territory management options. You can map layers or CRM integrations, and of course you can fine tune the app to your workflow. All right, you can zoom in after doing that. For example, in Kansas City, you can create a lasso here and then set a specific radius. Now, the buy now 7 days is going to be a reminder that your free trial is ending soon. Of course, if you wanted to upgrade and scale up, you might want to choose the large teams plan for the enterprise and the business. So you can purchase a plan to continue using the Badger Maps without interruption. Of course, unlock all the features that is needed. And then there's going to be the extended trial. Again, you can choose a plan and then ensuring that you can make an informed decision about basing on your usage needs. All right. So with that being said, and that wraps up our walkthrough of Badger Maps. So if you are in field sales or service and need a route planner that's both user-friendly and packed with smart features, Badger Maps is a game changer. It's one of the best platforms out there for tuning your territory into a well-oiled sales machine. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss more software walkthroughs just like this one. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.